Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your eyebrows fleeked like mine. So if you would like to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, so starting with my eyebrows, I usually put some translucent powder down first, just so that whenever I start to put the product on, it can all adhere to it nicely. I'm going to be using my airspun loose powder, and just lightly, you can even like shake all that off. So taking my e.l.f. dipbrow pomade in the color Espresso and this It Cosmetics brush. I don't know if you can see it. So loading my brush up, start by brushing your eyebrow hairs so that they're all smooth and going the same direction. You can use a spoolie if I can find mine. But yeah, using the spoolie, brush the hairs out so they're all laying flat. You don't want any of the hairs overlapping because then you might get gaps in your eyebrows. Taking a brush, dip it in there. I usually start by lining the bottom first. Okay, so you have that line. Now you're gonna do the one on the other side. And I like stop and compare, make a short line, stop, compare, so on and so forth. And I like to make a unibrow in the middle with my eyebrows. I know people don't like to do that because it makes you look stupid, but it does help you get even eyebrows. So next you want to line the top. A helpful tip, if your eyebrows are kind of long, you can brush the hairs downwards so that whenever you make that upper line, they don't get in your way. Just be careful not to brush too hard that you smudge the lower line. Alright, so once you have both of your general shapes, you can start filling them in. Honestly, don't freak out about this. I know this looks really like blunt and sharp, but it'll all get blended out at the end. Okay, so now that you have it all drawn on, take your spoolie again and just little short brush strokes to blend all of the color together. Make sure that it's all like a nice gradient. It's not patchy, there are no blocks that are missing. Again, if you have long eyebrow hairs, make sure to like jostle them around so that all the product gets onto your skin and it's not just sitting on the hair above, because then it's more likely to wipe off. Now this little like fade right here, you want to make sure this is really like all faded and uniform. You don't want the front to be patchy, because a patchy front gives away some fake ass eyebrows. Remember that. Alright, now that you're all done with that, all of the color is laid down, it's brushed and all even. My favorite part is the concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. I get these from the beauty supply store. They're like $2 or $3 each. This is always what I use to cut my crease, always what I use to carve out my brows. Always, always, always. Today I'm going to be using Pure Beige. The color of your contour, or let's say the color of your concealer that you use to carve out your brows, is really, really, really important. Using a shade too light can really like throw off your whole face. So I like to swatch my concealers almost every time that I do my eyebrows, because your skin color changes all the time. Especially in the winter, you get a lot darker in the winter, or a lot lighter in the winter. You get a lot darker in the summer, so your concealer colors might change over time. And because it's like the middle of February, it's winter, so I'm at like my lightest, my absolute lightest. I'm almost white. So I'm gonna use, so this is Pure Beige. Swatch that on my hand. That's my color. It's definitely my color. And this is Creamy Beige, which is one shade lighter. But do you see that difference? So if I carved out my eyebrows with this color, it'd look normal. It all blend through. I wouldn't have to add more makeup to make my face look even, because if you just wear eyebrows like me, I usually only leave the house with eyebrows and mascara on, it might make you look completely different because your forehead's white and the bottom of your face is mixed, you feel? Yeah, so just be careful with the color concealer that you use, because flashback is a bitch. These have a brush tip, which I love, because sometimes if I'm in a rush or I can't find my concealer brush, I'll just with the brush. But today I'm not, because I have a concealer brush, and this concealer brush is the bomb. It's by e.l.f. I got it probably at Walmart or Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. e.l.f. is really like universal. You can find it just about anywhere. And I just get some of that on the brush. Using a little mini beauty blender. I get these little mini ones from Walmart. They come in 2 packs and they're like $3. Just dab, 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 dab. You can also conceal the tops of your eyebrows if you want. I usually don't because I feel like it just looks like a lot when I don't have any other makeup on my face. Like if I have no other makeup on my forehead, this concealer's kind of gonna stand out. But for the sake of this video, I'll do it just to show you guys what it looks like. I do like the way it looks. It makes your eyebrows look really crisp. Like for Instagram pictures, you definitely want to line the tops of your eyebrows because it makes them look really, really crisp. Okay, so that's like, bam, beautiful. So we're gonna conceal the top of this one now. So you see how I just brushed my eyebrow hairs down and there's like that line of like emptiness right there? Okay, I'm gonna go back and fill all that in. Put a little too much concealer over there, but it's okay. We're just gonna blend it out. Now take that concealer and just kind of just draw that like that, and the same beauty blender, I take the round end and just alright, and you can leave it like that. Sometimes that's how I leave my eyebrows, or you can make little vertical, is that vertical? Yeah, vertical line. Yeah, but that's really it. That's all I do. I might like put some highlighter on here sometimes. I use this Laura Geller Gilded Honey Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And for underneath my eyebrows, I use like a flat brush like this and just pack like both sides of the brush with all the highlight so that it's like really pigmented when I put it on there. Yes. Alright, and there you go. That's how I do my eyebrows. Bye guys.